Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up an automatic welcome email that sends after someone submits your form in the free plan. First, create your form. In Agile CRM, click Forms on the left menu. Click the Create Form button. Drag fields like first name and email into the form builder. When done, click Save and Publish and copy the form link to your website. Now, set up the automation. Click Automation in the left menu. Click the blue Create Workflow button. Name your workflow, like Form Welcome Email. Click the Add Trigger button. From the list, select Form Submitted. In the drop-down that appears, choose your published form. Click Save Trigger. Next, add the email action. Click Add Action. Choose Send Email from the list. A window will open. Click Create New Email. Write your welcome email. Type a subject like Thanks for signing up, and write your message in the body. Click Save Email to close the editor, then click Save Action. Finally, turn on the workflow. Make sure the active toggle at the top is switched on. Click the blue Save Workflow button at the bottom. And that's it. Now, whenever a visitor submits your form, they'll be added to your contacts and instantly receive your welcome email. If this automated your follow-up, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.